Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover the basics of using LightBurn software with your Nova Plus. You'll learn how to import a design, set engraving and cutting settings, use line intervals, and even how to score your own material. When you first open LightBurn, you'll need to connect it to your Nova Plus. You can connect it using a USB cable or through Ethernet. During device setup, select your Thunder Nova Plus and confirm your connection. LightBurn works with many design files like DXF, AI, SVG, and JPEG. To import, click File, Import, and select your file. You can resize and position it directly in the workspace. In LightBurn, colors represent different operations. Engraving means the laser fills in an area line by line. Scoring is a shallow line, deeper than engraving but not cut through. Cutting means the laser goes all the way through the material. When engraving, your results depend on speed and power. Higher speed gives you a lighter engraving. Lower power gives you a lighter shading. Lower speed gives you a deeper engraving. Higher power gives you a darker and deeper burn. Line interval is how close the engraved lines are. A small interval like 0.05 mm gives high detail, but it takes longer. A large interval like 0.2 mm engraves faster, but lines may show. LightBurn also controls your Nova Plus dual air assist. Use low air for engraving to keep smoke away without disturbing detail. Use high air for cutting and scoring to control flames and keep edges clean. You can combine engraving, scoring, and cutting all in one job. LightBurn follows the order of the layers. Engrave first, then score, then cut. Before running your job, set the origin point with the green square in LightBurn. Then press send to transfer the file to your Nova Plus controller. LightBurn also shows an estimated job time in the preview window, helping you plan your work. And don't forget the material library. Save your preferred speed and power settings for wood, acrylic, laminate, or any other material, and reuse them anytime. That's it for LightBurn Basics. You now know how to connect your Nova Plus, import designs, engrave, score and cut, set the speed, set the power and set the line intervals, also how to control your air assist. In the next video, we'll cover optional advanced training, including rotary devices, photo engraving and cutting acrylic. LightBurn Basics Summary. Connect machine, USB or Ethernet. Import design, DXF, AI, SVG and JPEG. Cutting versus engraving versus scoring explained. Speed versus power engraving explained. Line interval explained with examples. Air assist, when to use high versus low. Combining operations in one job. Origin. Send. Preview. Material library.